I'm here today with my haul of the Sephora VIB sale. You guys, I think I blacked out when I placed the order. It said that I had 84 items, and I was like, there's absolutely no way I ordered 84 things. Nope, I did. I ordered 84 things. So, oh my gosh, I have so much stuff. So I did a makeup haul. I have a skincare haul here. I have to leave in like 20 minutes to go pick up Ethan. I have boxing today, which is why I'm in my like gym clothes. I have a bunch of Sephora stuff that I've accumulated over the last 2 or 3 months that I haven't been able to show you, that I haven't filmed yet. So I got to get that filmed probably tomorrow. But this is the stuff I bought from the actual sale. I want to get that other video filmed as well, just because that way you can see swatches and whatnot. But if you are new, welcome to my channel. Sit down, grab some popcorn, grab a drink. I feel like I should drink a margarita after realizing how much stuff I bought, because I literally cannot believe that there was 84 items. So yeah, I will leave all the information about the sale dates and the percentages off. But this is skincare. If you want to see makeup, I'll link it up here. I'm going to try to get these up really quickly so that you have plenty of time to like see what I got, see the swatches, and then add things to your cart before the sale is over. I think it goes to like the 11th and it's only the 5th. So there's still a few more days. If you are new, welcome. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let's jump right into the skincare. I got a lot of skincare stuff. This is a repurchase. There's a couple repurchases actually, which is a big deal because I do get sent. I barely get makeup PR, but I get a lot of skincare PR. So for me to repurchase something when I have a lot of skincare is saying something about how much I love the product. The Sephora Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover, it's one of my holy grails. It's one of my favorites. So I got that because it's just great. I got this Herbivore Nova 15% Vitamin C Turmeric Brightening Serum. Very excited to try this. It says it's a skin brightening serum. It contains a potent duo of ultra stable 15% THD vitamin C, super root turmeric, and I just let's be honest, the packaging really just is what sold it for me. Super cute. So I'm very excited to use this. I will keep you guys updated on how I like that serum. I also got this K-Skin, it's a new brand, sunscreen Isle Glow face lotion SPF 45. You guys, I'm really embarrassed to say that I never wear sunscreen until recently. I never understood like the order of how you apply sunscreen and primers and all of that. And then Sam actually got me hooked on like sunscreen, and now I can't stop wearing sunscreen. So that's good. My skin will thank me. Is this not gorgeous? Look at this. It's so beautiful. Glowy, beautiful sunscreen. So that is this new brand called K-Skin. The packaging is phenomenal too. Summer Fridays has to be one of my favorite brands lately for a while. There's so many products. I haven't tried one thing that I don't like yet. So this is the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 all-in-one face oil. And it says it has 16 non-comedogenic vegan oils, deeply conditions, plumps, and helps boost skin's elasticity, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. Very excited, and the packaging is stunning. So very excited about that. I also got this brand. This looks new. This is a newer brand too, called Ranavat. This is their brightening saffron serum. The packaging, real nice. Look at this. So pretty. So this is the serum. It doesn't really say anything about it on the box, does it? No. Oh yeah, here. It says it is a miracle elixir for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties. It's supposed to brighten, firm, and improve tone for glowy, youthful, resilient skin. So I'm very excited to try that. It looks absolutely beautiful. And I don't know. It was a new brand and I was excited to try it. I also got this sunscreen from Josie Moran, Get Even Sun Milk SPF 33 Mineral Sunscreen. It has Kakadu, Superfruit Blend, and Sheer Argan Hydration. So this one's SPF 33. This one, somebody asked me about gluten-free products. This one's gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, formaldehyde-free, cruelty-free, organic, argan oil, synthetic fragrance-free. So got that little sunscreen baby there. Okay, another Summer Fridays product. This is new. This is the Cloud Dew Oil-Free Cloud Cream. And I'm very excited. Okay, again, the packaging, nailed it. She nailed it. And this is just a really lightweight cream, and I'm excited to use it. Doesn't have a scent, but even the cream color is beautiful. It even looks pretty in the packaging. So very excited to try that moisturizer. This is a repurchase. This is the toner. It's the AHA exfoliating solution. Your skin will be so glowy and beautiful. I really do like the Paula's Choice one, but that one has salicylic acid, which I couldn't use while I'm pregnant and I can't use when I'm breastfeeding. This does not have salicylic acid in it, so I can use it. And it's really does give your skin a gorgeous glow and exfoliates it chemically. It's beautiful. Okay, this is a facial polish from that Ranavant. It's a creamy, balm to milk creamy facial polish. So, I swear I got like I thought that I got a cleansing oil, but I'm not seeing anything in here that's a cleansing oil. So maybe I didn't. Maybe I just like had it in my cart after I placed this order. Like I need anything else. So this is the packaging, and I wonder if it has like, I needed a new exfoliator, but this says it's like a creamy, milky exfoliator. I'm not gonna like this. There's not enough beads in it. So if you like something really gentle, maybe you'll like this, but I feel like I like a really packed full beady, rough exfoliator. I'll give it a go, but I'm not sure I'll like it. This is the Lemonade Smoothing Scrub by Ole Henriksen. I'm excited to try this. I wonder if this is like beady, like has good like bead ratio, you know? Like I like the Murad scrub. Is it Murad? I think so. Yes, the Murad one's good. I like the volcanic one from MAC. Yes, this has way more scrubby beads in it. This is nice. It doesn't smell like lemonade though, but that one feels nice. So I'm excited to try that one. I feel so weird not having any of my jewelry on, but I'm going to boxing. So this came in a day early. So I was very excited to get this filmed. Okay, then this brand here, Innisfree, I don't know how you say it. I really love their Dewy Cherry Blossom Moisturizer. It's amazing. It gives you the most beautiful glass-like skin. So this is the Intensive Hydrating Serum with green tea seed. So let's see. I'm like really into like, give me glowy, glassy, gorgeous skin. Doesn't have like a smell, but it feels nice. Very lightweight. Like that's like a super like watery lightweight serum. So I'll keep you guys updated on that one. It says it's a hydrating serum with green tea seed. It's a daily moisture barrier strengthening serum formulated with green tea tribiotics. Moisturizing, soothing, and nourishing for a healthy look. Then I got this Laneige serum. This is the glowy makeup serum. Cute packaging. I love the Laneige lip mask. I'm just gonna put this on top of that other one. Okay, so let's rub it in together. Ooh, that's nice too. This one has like more, this one felt like kind of watery, didn't have like a lot of slip to it. This one has like a lot more of like a slip and smoothness to it. So that's the Laneige Glowy Serum. And then the last skincare thing I got is this Clarins Double Eye Serum. And I needed a new eye cream, or eye serum. So I thought this would be nice. Look at that. Ooh, so fancy. So I'm excited to try this and I'll keep you guys updated. It has like a little pump. Well, I'm not gonna waste it because it was expensive. So that is what that one looks like. So that is it for my skincare haul. This was much faster than my makeup haul. My makeup haul was pretty massive. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. What did you guys pick up from the Sephora sale? And I'll have all these products linked down below. Again, I'm gonna try to get that other Sephora haul video filmed probably tomorrow. That way you guys can have like all the stuff that I purchased recently, swatches and everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one.